Hi, readers. Today, so we finished up reading about our folk tales, so that is awesome. But today, we are going to do something a little different. We are going to take any of the texts that we read, one of the folk tales that we read, and we're going to write a summary. So, I can talk and write about a story. Sure, I can. I can talk and write about a story. And that is writing a summary. So we've used this, this form before, the SWBST form, to write our summary. So I'm going to show you how I do that. Okay? So the title of the story I read is called, I need to put a text box in here and I can't see it. There we go. It needs to go up here. Okay, if you can move it. No, you can move it. And my title is The Fox and the Tiger. The author, well, because these are stories that are handed down from generation to generation. If somebody's telling them, they don't necessarily have an author. It's not a news story, it's just being retold. So a lot of times it says retold by, but I'm going to put down what mine is. And that's what I want you to do. Mine's a Chinese folk tale. It's a Chinese folk tale. Okay? So somebody, who was the main character? It was Fox. I'm sorry, I have to add a text box every time. Hold on. I'm going to paste a few. Don't want that. If I just add clipbook and clicking, I can get my text box in here. And that'll be easier. Okay, I don't need these. So my somebody is my fox. Fox wanted. What did the main character want? Well, in my mind, he wanted to get something to eat. He was wandering around the forest wanting to get something to eat. But, here's the problem. But, he came across a tiger. He was scared. Came across the tiger and he was scared. So, oops, I lost my text box there. So, he thought of a way to trick the tiger. So I'm not going to just write that he thought of a way to trick the tiger. I need to say more than that. What did he do to trick the tiger? He told the tiger he was not the only king of the jungle. Okay? He told the king, you're not the only, or he told the tiger, you're not the only king of the jungle. Then, I'm sorry, I keep doing that. Then he said, follow me. I will show you. When they came some animals. Oh. All the animals ran away because the tiger scared them. Okay, so he tricked the tiger. They weren't running away because of the fox, they were running away because of the tiger, but he tricked them. So I just summarized my story. I filled out this sheet. You're going to do the same thing. But then if you notice there's another sheet on this side, again, I'll write my title. Because when we summarize something, it's written all in one paragraph. It's not written separately. So we're going to take this information over here and we're going to put it into a paragraph. And that's our plan. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to say, once a fox went to the forest to look for something to eat. It's kind of running off the page there. Made my box too big. Sorry. Okay. I'm using this. He came across a tiger. Oh. And he was scared. So, and he was scared. So, he thought of a way to trick the tiger. He told the tiger he was not the only king of the jungle. Then he told them, I'm sorry. The only king of the jungle. I don't know what happened. Then he said, follow me. I will show you who is king. I'm adding more than what I said. So the tiger followed the I'm not going to write on that. I'm going to say, no, the tiger followed the fox, and when they came to some animals, all the animals ran away. Not because they were scared of the fox, but the tiger. Okay, so I need to write it over here in a paragraph. Once again, I got to put my title, the fox, and the tiger. And again, for author, I'm going to put, your writing will be easier than mine because I'm doing it on a different form. I'm going to put, again, that it's a Chinese folk tale. Okay. So you have two things to really do today. You can reread one of your stories if you don't like one that you've already read and you need to refresh. Go ahead and do that. And then you're going to summarize it using SWBST. Somebody wanted, but so then. Somebody wanted, but so then. And then we take our thoughts from here and we write it in a paragraph. And that's the summary. Okay, this isn't the only day we're going to do this. We're going to practice it some more with some other type of writing. But it's going to take a little more time than some of your other activities. But I know you can do it. Good readers can write about their reading. They can talk and write about their reading or their story they read. Okay, have fun. Catch you later.